If you're preparing for CLAT and planning to do it online, this video by Exam Charcha will save you a lot of confusion because almost every institute today says it's offer online CLAT coaching. That word online has basically lost its meaning. So, the real question isn't who is online, everyone is. Before the name, here's the checklist I'd use if I were choosing today. A good online program isn't about the fancy ads. It comes down to 6 things: online results, live interaction classes, the tech and the learning portal, mock test, plus the quality of the analysis after them, the mentorship and faculty, budget versus features. Keep these 6 things in mind. Every institute I mention wins on some and loses on others. First up, law prep tutorial. On numbers, this is the one with the deepest online results. The standout is All India Rank 1 in AILET 2026. Came from their online batch, and he credits the live classes and daily mentoring. In CLAT 2026, their online students also pulled rank like Year 3, Year 8 and Year 9. 2 things stood out. First, the live classes are genuinely two-way. You interact with the faculty directly. Not like a YouTube lifestyle webinar where 500 students are stuck in the chat. Second, the learning portal, and also explored it myself. It runs on AI-based performance analysis, deep mock analytics, your topic-wise strengths and weak areas, personalized improvement tracking, and a full report after every mock. If you like tracking your progress, that's their biggest strength. The only thing I'd say is that it's designed for students who are serious about preparation. You will get the most value from it only if you're attending classes consistently and actually using all the features. Now, not every student wants a highly technology-driven platform. Some students simply prefer structured teaching from an established coaching brand, which brings us to Career Launcher. Career Launcher is probably one of the oldest names in CLAT coaching. They've built credibility over many years, and that experience reflects in their online program as well. Their online preparation is quite structured. The classes follow a planned schedule, the study material is well organized, the mock tests are also considered reliable for many students. They've delivered consistent CLAT results over many years. They even had the CLAT 2025 All India Rank 1. What I'd say about Career Launcher is it may not be the flashiest or the most affordable, but it's a brand that's been around for years and has consistently delivered results. Especially if you're starting early in class 11th and want a structured, proven system, it's definitely a safe choice. Now, let's talk about an option that has become popular for completely different reasons: affordability. PW has made online education accessible across almost every competitive exams, and CLAT is no exception. Its biggest advantage is definitely the pricing. If budget is a major factor, PW offers one of the more affordable entry points into structured CLAT preparation. Students also get decent study material, practice resources, mock test, and current affairs support. That said, compared to some of the more established CLAT-focused institutes, PW hasn't consistently produced the same volume of top ranks yet. So, if you're aiming for the very top, that's something to keep in mind. One thing I'd add is don't choose an institute only because of the study materials. Today, good mock tests, current affairs, magazines, and preparation resources are also available from several institutes, and many of them are even free. Focus more on the teaching, mentorship, and overall learning experience than just the resources. Now, let's move to the one of the institute that's known for creating a very competitive preparation environment, LegalEdge. It's another well-known name in CLAT coaching space and has consistently delivered good results over the years. LegalEdge is a test-heavy, analytics-driven program. Its whole identity is built around a large test series and detailed performance tracking. So if you're someone who improves by taking a lot of marks and actually studying your analytics after each one, that's the environment it's designed for. One resource worth calling out is the CLAT Post magazine, a monthly current affair and GK magazine that plenty of aspirants use for revision, even one who aren't enrolled with them. If GK and current affairs are your weak spots, that's a genuinely useful add-on. Finally, at 5th, let's talk about IMS. IMS has been a trusted name in competitive exam coaching for many years, and their CLAT programs follows the same structure approach. Their online course include live classes, recorded lectures, study material, regular mock tests, and doubt support. While CLAT isn't their only focus area, they've built a solid reputation for students who prefer a well-organized and disciplined preparation system. CLAT isn't IMS' single biggest focus the way it is for some of the other options on the list. They run many exams, so right at the very top of the rank ladder, they're a little less dominant. But as a steady, well-organized program for a trusted name, it's a reasonable choice. So, which one should you choose? Honestly, it depends on you, not which ad you saw the last. There isn't one answer that fits everyone. The right pick comes down to your budget, your discipline, and how you actually study. And if you're still unsure which coaching actually fits you, that's exactly what mentorship is for. Click the link in the description and book a free one-on-one counseling session with our mentors. Or you can head over the examcharcha.in. Our mentors will look at your situation and help you pick the right fit. If this helped, you know what to do, and tell me in the comments which one are you learning towards. I actually read them all. So see you in the next one.